Hello, science teachers. We just recently met with our science teacher hangout, and we were discussing sharing Nearpods in our team. So I just wanted to give you a little tutorial of how to get those editable links to Nearpods and how we can put them onto our teams. So here I am in my teams. This is my team page, and I'm going to share a lesson with you. I'm going to use this flipping your classroom lesson, and I'm going to click on the ellipses, and I am going to click on share with teachers. Once I do that, I'm going to get two options here, two links that I can pick from: a preview only link, which you would not be able to adjust in any way, and an editable link. So I'm going to copy that editable link there, and then I am going to go to our Teams page. So I will start with 6th grade, and in the files, you can't see it, it's not in my screenshot, but I'm going to click on files up on the top, and it will open this. There we go. And I've created a folder that says Nearpod sharing. So I'm going to click on that folder, and I have them separated: marking period 1, 2, 3, 4. This is kind of bothering me. I'm going to switch that. There it goes. And I'm going to click onto the first Nearpod, and let's see if this works. Fingers are crossed. This is the first time I'm doing it. It says here's the page, and it's obvious it's blank. We haven't shared anything yet. So I'm going to edit it in Word, and it's going to open up the online version of Word, and it's going to allow me to make some changes. So what I'll do is I'll just move my cursor over here, and I'm going to right click, and I'm going to paste that. Oh, can't do that. I'm going to Control V, and that link is now pasted in there, and you can see that it is a link, and this is bothering me, so I'm going to move it over to the right. Actually, before I do that, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to name this thing, and I'm going to put flipping your classroom Nearpod, and I'm going to put who did it too. So by me, Frank McDonald, so that way we know where it's coming from. And then there's the link for it. So that way you guys should be able to access this. Well, let's see. It should automatically save at this point. So I'm going to click out of Word, and I'm going to go back to Teams, and I'm going to exit out of this thing for a second. Let me go back to General, and I'm going to open the file. And I'm going to go to Nearpod sharing, and I'm going to click on marking period 1, and there it is. We can now share that thing. So I think this is the easiest way to go about sharing this editable link. Let's do this. I'm going to click on this link. There it goes. And you can, at this point, you would have the option to add it to your library. So add it to your library, and once it's in your library, you guys can make all the changes that you want to make to this thing. So I think this is a great way for us to start sharing ideas or Nearpod lessons. Remember, we talked about the idea of personalizing these Nearpods, that maybe one size doesn't fit all, that we need to make them to target our kids on our campuses, that kind of thing. And it's always nice to kind of personalize it yourself, to put a little bit of your own flavor into these things. So hopefully this is helpful, and I will be we can talk about this next time. I'll post this video here onto our Teams page, and that way hopefully you'll be able to see it. All right. Thanks. Bye.